Distinct honor to introduce to you our esteemed guest speaker for today's graduation ceremony. Just like any other individual who succeeded in their professions, he is a living inspiration to the young ones. And the young ones, I mean our parents and our school children. It is believed that if one takes a closer look at the alchemy of an achieving person, two distinct virtues pop up. Besides perseverance and hard work, these are pioneering spirit and willingness, and this person possesses them. To know more about him, I will share some bits of information about him. He was born on July 17, 1987 at Buhimo Rojas, Zamboanga del Norte. He is a son of Mr. Vicente Nazareno Ibanez and Mrs. Delia Puliran Buluran. He is the youngest among the 6 children. Is one of the sisters is one of our teachers here in El Mes, who is Mrs. Mary Grace White Belatenia. He completed his elementary education here in Esmeralda Roque Memorial Elementary School in the year 2000. He continued his study in Riverside National High School and graduated in the year 2004. He pursued his college education in Misamis University with the course Bachelor of Science in Criminology. When he graduated, he successfully passed criminology licensure examination. Eventually, he became Police Officer 1 last July 2, 2012. And now, he is assigned at 102nd Company in Regional Public Safety Battalion. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to PO1 Vicente Benbo Goloran Ibanez.
Thank you, ma'am, for that kind of introduction, ma'am Ruby, and to the MC, ma'am Joy. Please be seated. To our education program supervisor, Dr. Angelito Barasona. To our school principal, Mr. Ryan Manunog. To our barangay captain, Honorable Alvaro Angong, Kap, Mayang Buntag. To our Federated PTA President, Raja Sophia Dimalo. To our Vice President, Salam Batingulo. To the teaching force of Permis, proud parents, graduates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. No, may buntag sa tanan. Actually, this is the first time ay mo ko Mr. Speaker, so medyo kabado excited murag proud kay lagi murag nahimo kong simbolo ninyo aron kamo magprosekido sa inyong pag-eskwela. So first of all, I would like to extend my warmest gratitude to Ernest Teaching Course, especially to our principal for inviting me as guest speaker of the 22nd graduation exercises. I am so privileged to be invited to such a memorable occasion in your lives. One that will garner much like on Facebook and Instagram. Hashtag proud mama and papa or hashtag proud that's my graduate. So ingana ato ang ginikanan ka proud sa tuwa. So post diri, post dito. So this is as much an achievement for the parents and teachers as it is for the graduating student. So graduates, take a look to your parents tanawa yung ginikanan and say congratulations, ma, pa, no? Ha?
Wala ilang mo.
Hi! Katulog bilis na rin, sa'yo mo di mata. So, take a look also to your teachers, no? Your earliest teacher, and say thank you, ma'am, sir. Even though I did not belong to the top 5 pupils when I was graduated here at Hermes last March 2000, but you know, I'm still on top no, during graduation. Meaning, top ko or top 5 na ko ang among first. So, bitaw ang tinuod during our graduation na ako sa tubangan kay lagi ingon man amo ang class advisor na si Ma'am Patricia Pisio nga according to height daw ug according sa gwapo. Di ba tanawan yung nasa tubangan, di ba gagmay mga gwapo po, no? Saluyo, gwapo yapon. At 6:30 a.m. no, na-confirm mo as graduates by our APS. So, congratulations. This year's graduation team, kabataan mula sa K-12, tagapagdala ng panaran sa bansang Pilipinas. So, kamu ni class, no? Kamu ang kabataan, tagapagdala ng panaran sa bansang Pilipinas. Musa, padayon ka mo sa pag-eskwela, aron ka mo human hangtod sa college. Ayaw ninyo himuha ang pabag ang kalisod. Kay matod pa nila, poverty is not the hindrance of success. So kami sa una, grabe ang kalisod, no? Uno may kamagsuon, ako ang kamanguran. Pero apan sa mga kalisod, natapos nito may tanan sa pag-eskwela, inubanan sa suporta sa mga ginikanan, o inubanan sa pag-ampo. Basta, magkinabangay lang yun mga igsuon, no, that is headed by our eldest sister, your grade 6 advisor na si Teacher Grace, na ako ang ate. So, siya ang among gihimo ng simbolo aron kami mo padayon mo pustido sa among pag-eskwela. Kay labi na karon nga kinahanglan gyud kamo og more dedication, more patience, and more perseverance and hard work. Kay nadumagan og 2 years sa senior high school, ay pa mo pagkapusit sa college. So, graduates, paminaw gyud kamo mo sa iyong tambag sa ginikanan. So, labi na atong dili ato kalimtan ang mga istorya sa ato ang teachers. Ayaw ninyo na dugay pa mo makauman, pinapakatuloy kaya mo makauman sa eskwela. Gani, na-achieve na ninyo ang 6 years sa elementary. So, how much more paano nga sa college na makapot na ninyo o sa kadugay makuha na ninyo ang inyong gusto na pangandoy. So, ato bitaw, murag bago pa ko po kanya ito, no? Dali, para sa inyo ha, dali, galingkod ko during our graduation. So, karon kaloy sa Ginoo, na ako'y trabaho. By the way, kinsay gusto dali magpulis ninyo, no? Kinsay gusto, pataas ka mo. Ha? Walay gusto? Walay gusto magpulis?
Ay, yung dumating.
Nangyyansap no, gamay na kita yung gusto. Ang pansyon ni maestra, doktor, siguro engineer. Kay our country today needs more dedicated and honest policemen. So, eskwela gid mo aron makapot niyo yung pangandoy. during my elementary years, no, sige kong yaw-yawan sa kung kuhan magpapa kay lagi dili ko sige kong papadlong kanang dili magtuon, especially during exam dili ko magtuon kay iniliging kasaligta kay ato ang kuan usapon sa teacher dari. So nagsaligta sa itong classmate, no? Nagamit na ito ang technique. Pero ayun yung awatan, no? Kay kana, dili ko na maayo para sa inyo. So, maningkamot mo ginyo ang yun. Kaya ito ako to technique. Ha? So, kung naminaw mo sa tambag sa inyong ginikanan, walang post ka kung mo sa pag-eskwela. Nasaktan ba ko ninyo? The tweets? Ha? Kaya ako lang po gusto nga i-emphasize, no, nga padayon ko mo sa pag-eskwela, ayaw pagkapoy-kapoy, kung ayaw mo ang mapag ang kalisod. Magtarong yun sa pag-eskwela. I-minimize na to ang barkada, kung sa pa ang mga tentasyon nga nasa to ang pirmi nagduol. Labi ng mga pandya, uyab-uyab, ato sa nangilikay. Kung pwede, paras-paras na sa tahan, no? Kay normal lang gina sa tuwa. Kay tanawin ninyo ang sakripisyo sa itong binikanan, dili na linggit. Kay grabe lang pagpalingkamot, aron lang kamo matapos sa inyong pag-eskwela. So, ato gustang balusan, ug maayo po, no? Kay sa diya-diya, kita nga po yung matabang sa itong binikanan. Kay dili lalim maningkamot, tapos ginawangan lang. So, graduates, maka-expect pa kami, no, nga mahuman mo sa iyong pag-eskwela, graduates, ha?
Wa na minaw.
10 years from now, siguro, police na mo, or maestra, or saga, teacher, or doctor, ha? So, the most important reminder, make God as the center of your lives. God is the power and the source of all things. He is the reason why we are all here. He is your stronghold here in the present and in the future. He is great and He loves you more than you know. So let me in with my wish for all of you in your life. May you have people who will listen and spend time with you, encourage you and believe in you. May you embrace growth and excellence. May you be generous. May you say thank you. May God watch over you.
Ang
With His blessings, may
nyaray.
you go forth and do wonderful things. So again, my congratulations to all of you graduates of batch 2016. Thank you once again for having me as your keynote speaker. Good luck and congratulations graduates, and good morning.